Want to pass your Salesforce Communications Cloud Accredited Professional Exam, code AP-203, on your first try? In this video, we'll break down real-style practice questions step by step, explain the reasoning behind each correct answer, and share smart tips from CertsHero's updated question bank. Whether you're a Salesforce consultant, solution architect, or implementation specialist, this walkthrough will make complex concepts simple, clear, and exam-ready. So, let's jump right in. Question 1. Given a customer's pain points and goals, how should you determine KPIs that deliver transformational business outcomes? Options. A. Choose as many metrics as possible to track progress. B. Select KPIs directly tied to customer pain points and objectives. C. Use standard Salesforce metrics for all projects. D. Delay KPI definition until after implementation. Reasoning. Before implementation, KPIs help define what success looks like. If the client wants faster service activation, track order cycle time. If the goal is customer experience, measure Net Promoter Score. Correct answer. B. Choose KPIs that are strategic, measurable, and aligned with customer objectives. Exam tip. CertsHero's discovery section includes similar scenario-based KPI questions to build your analytical confidence. Question 2. Given a set of order fulfillment requirements, how should orchestration flows be designed to follow best practices? Options. A. Combine all fulfillment steps in one flow. B. Decompose at the commercial level first before fulfillment. C. Skip decomposition and handle logic through Apex code. D. Use only manual approval steps to simplify the process. Reasoning. In Salesforce Communications Cloud, decomposition ensures scalability. By separating commercial products before fulfillment, you maintain flexibility when multiple systems are involved, like billing or inventory. Correct answer. B. Decompose at the commercial level first. This aligns with Salesforce's orchestration best practices. Exam tip. CertsHero diagrams visualize this process, so practice identifying where decomposition begins and ends. Question 3. A client wants to migrate from a legacy CRM to Salesforce Communications Cloud. What's the best way to ensure data quality? Options. A. Import data directly using data loader with no validation. B. Transform, validate, and load data through a defined migration framework. C. Use sandbox migration only once before going live. D. Copy data manually into each Salesforce object. Reasoning. Migration isn't just data movement. It's about data integrity. A structured framework, extract, transform, validate, load, ETVL, ensures clean, accurate, and mapped data. Correct answer. B. Always use a migration framework with validations and mapping. Exam tip. CertsHero's AP-203 simulator includes multiple data migration scenarios that test this exact framework. Question 4. During implementation, how do you decide what can be done out of the box versus customized? Options. A. Customize everything for maximum flexibility. B. Use OOTB capabilities first and customize only when necessary. C. Ignore OOTB options to save time. D. Always create new custom objects for client needs. Reasoning. Salesforce promotes configuration over customization. OOTB tools like Industries, CPQ, order management, and catalog management cover most business needs without extra coding. Correct answer. B. Leverage OOTB features first. Customize only if the business case requires unique logic. Exam tip. CertsHero practice tests emphasize this balance. Always choose the simplest scalable solution. Question 5. During sprint planning, how should user stories be prioritized? Options. A. Based on developer preference. B. By business value, dependency, and effort size. C. By alphabetical order. D. only based on technical complexity. Reasoning. Prioritization ensures project flow. You start with high-value, low-dependency stories, keeping customer outcomes at the center. Correct answer. B. Prioritize by business value, dependency, and effort size. Exam tip. CertsHero includes interactive, sprint-based case questions that test agile prioritization logic. Great job walking through these Salesforce AP-203 practice questions. Remember, success comes from concept clarity and consistent practice. Use CertsHero's updated question bank for more scenario-based problems just like these, each one mapped to discovery, planning, and delivery domains. Hit subscribe for more Salesforce Accredited professional exam guides. And let's keep learning, one question at a time.